everyone, welcome back to the channel on this fine rainy day that we're on. Right, let's see what we can find in today's charity shops. Sorry. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you.
Perfeito, Diana. Fazer um pouco de fato, não? Vem? Não? Ficou. Vamos subir com Yeah, I'm fine. You're okay there? Yeah.
Sorry. Thank you. Cheers.
Thank you.
No probs.
Thank you very much.
All right. I'm not much in that one. Not off to a great start. All right. Catch you in the next one. Oh, Mario's in the window. Oh, well, nothing wrong with nothing. Let's go to the next one. Right, next one. My favourite one in the area. Just going to look. Oh, sorry.
не надо же ей. Так я уже, она не плачет уже, и пусть каждый день что-то. Зачем мне нервы? Лучше что-то купила, отправила.
Oh, Celia, charge? No, not free. Could you put that one there? It's a jigsaw one. I'm not going to get it for you.
Morning.
£3 and 3 for £10 multi-buy deals. Choose from over 1,000 products including everyday essentials, exclusive brands and premium favourites. You'll be amazed at what you can save, whether you choose to mix or match, shop and watch your food bill drop. Mix and match today at Iceland, the Food Warehouse and Iceland.co.uk. Selected products
Hiring a vehicle should be easy, whether you're young or a silver fox. However, some hire companies discourage some younger or older drivers. Not a problem at Flex Drive Van and Car Hire. Caters for drivers as young as 24 to 70 years old. Offering van, car, minibus hire and van hire for couriers. Plus, Flex Drive Van and Car Hire will beat any written quote on van and minibus hire. Hiring a vehicle is easy. Just visit flex-drive.co.uk.
There is so much more going on in our Rockford building than most people realise. With loads of on-site parking, we offer a social club for senior citizens, a cancer rehab programme, and accessible fitness offer, to mention just a few. We also have a variety of spaces that are available to hire, from meeting rooms through to
Sorry.
YMCA Rockford offers so much more than housing.
If there's anything in this one,
Oh no, so I was just having a look. Thank you though. Cheers. Have a good day. Oh my. What a day. Right, let's try the second favourite. Morning. Morning. Oh, these are the minifigures gone.
Well, the thing is, I've got to play ball, but the thing is, I've always liked the background. I've got wood effect there. Well, I don't want to permanently stain market because it's the person who buys plastic is going to obviously not enjoy. You know, we want to make another thing with it. That's the problem. Long term. I'm just thinking long term. Right, I've done it.
So 5 or 15. So, cheers. No Care Bears. Oh, let's have a look at the games. These are the old sports games. Right. You can see how much that bag is. This one's starting to fall apart, unfortunately. Right. Okay, catch you in the next one. Yeah, the bag was 15. On a closer look, it wasn't as good a condition as I first thought. So, yeah, we'll leave that. That's not looking too healthy. Perhaps I won't spin that anymore. It's going to go in there. So let's have a quick look at the technology. See if there's any consoles. Thank you. Well, that was not good. It is what it is. That's what happens when you're hunting. Sometimes a good, sometimes a bad. Alright, I'm going to go and have a quick look at Romford Auctions. See if there's anything in there for me. And if there is, then I'll catch you at home. If there isn't, then I'm going to leave it here. Well, there we are. It happens. You know, it's charity shop hunting. It's not guaranteed, nor is boot sales, but charity shops this year have not been great. I don't know why. Maybe maybe fair play to them. They're selling some of the better stuff online when it comes in, because it just doesn't seem to be that sort of stuff around anymore. But for every sort of 10 charity shops you go in, you might get stuff from 2 or 3. You know, it's not a guaranteed thing, and it's the days that you do get the really good stuff that keeps you going through the bad times. So, you know, I know eventually something I'm going to come across is really good. So it's just about getting through it. You will find stuff. I know through doing videos, boot sale videos and such, like to the people I've talked to, there's a little bit, well, aren't you letting people know that this stuff is worth something? But yes, probably some of that. But on the same token, I'm still finding it. So there might be more. There certainly is more people looking for what we're looking for now. So your retro games, your toys, and bits and pieces. But I still find it week on week, more or less, or should we say, season on season with boot sales. You're still finding it. You know, I will say you need to get to a boot sale early. You wouldn't want to leave it until sort of 2 hours after it started, because you will lose the good stuff. You've got to get there early, really. Charity shops is just luck of the draw. You know, I suppose if you got to know a few people in stores, they might think, oh, I might keep that to one side. No, he likes it. I might keep them to one side for him. So there might be a certain amount of that going around. But yeah, with charity shops, it's the good stuff that you get every now and again that will keep you going through the days like this of rubbish. That being said, going to Romford Auctions, I've got speaking to the guy now. He's the guy that sells toys. A few of you may already know him. I've got to use his name because I haven't asked permission or anything like that, but I think a lot of people who know Romford Auctions will probably know this guy. And he recognised me from buying Transformers a few videos back, a few G1s. What he didn't realise, the deal that he did with this guy, he didn't realise that he had weapons for the Transformers. So the ones that I brought, the guy also had weapons for it. He didn't pick up for a couple of weeks later. So unfortunately, he's kind of in the dilemma now. Does he sell just the weapons, or, you know, if he'd kept it for a bit longer, he could have sold them with the weapons, got a bit more. But anyway, he's really reasonable, this guy. He's very fair with his prices and stuff like that. So he's hopefully going to bring some stuff in for me when I'm next on a weekend shift. So it's going to be another couple of weeks yet. But he's got one thing that sounds absolutely amazing for a really, really good price. So fingers crossed, in a couple of weeks' time, we might see a really good haul of Transformers, which I'm kind of keeping everything crossed for. But yeah, keep an eye on the channel for that. So went in there. There was nothing in the way of toys for me this time, but there was some games. And like I say, this guy's really reasonable. I'm not sure what these are going to trade in, and I'm definitely going to keep at least one, but maybe two of these. But yeah, these are £2 each. I'm not sure if they're going to trade in. I'll put a little price of what they trade in at, but it's one of my favourite PS3 games, that one. But I've got the special edition one with all the extra LD, no, what they call them, DLCs. So I've got that. That's £2. I don't think that trades in at £2. That might only be like 130, 150. But like I say, this guy's really good. And fair with his deals. Crash Bandicoot, that's most likely where the money is, so I've got to check it all out. But God of War 3, really good game. This, believe it or not, I've never actually played it. I've heard it's very, very good and very, very dark. So not just because it's space, but it's not a very nice game type kind of thing. And Mafia 3 on Xbox One. I've got to check them out. I'm not sure if they're all complete. Although, yeah, I think most of them are complete anyway, so they've got manuals and stuff. But yeah, I need to go through those, check those out. I also did pop to a charity shop on the way back, and I didn't get footage because I thought I won't bother. Don't normally get stuff from these ones. I'll have a quick look, come back out. So in the end, I did get something. Now it's a big bundle of toys, but for those more eagle-eyed of you, there are Britain's figures in there, which is a company that makes a lot of army type stuff. So they make a lot of army figures and a lot of knights. And so that one was £5.50. I'm only really after the horses and stuff like that, but they also had another bag for £2. I'll get these out because the bag's ripped anyway. So again, more Britain's figures for £2. And these are quite cool in the fact that a lot of these have got their little weapons with them, which is nice. That is something you don't see every day because they do get lost very, very easily. So yeah, so it's, that was £5.55 and that was £2. Don't know why £5.55, but it is what it is. So I've got to dig through that, get out the Britain's figures, and I might possibly put a little bundle together, maybe stick them on eBay. Not sure yet, because although I used to have these as a kid, I'm not sure I'm going to particularly need those anywhere in the collection. But that was it. Yes, so always go looking. You won't always find, but never give up. It will happen. It will happen. So thank you very much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe down the bottom, and I will catch you again on the next video. So cheerio, bye, and ta-ta.